Facebook ads for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through Facebook advertising for beginners. If you are new to Facebook ads, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to create, manage, and optimize your ads to reach the right audience and achieve your goals. 1. Why use Facebook ads? First, let's understand why Facebook ads are so powerful. Facebook has over 3 billion users worldwide. This means almost everyone is on Facebook or Instagram. With Facebook ads, you can target specific people based on age, location, interests, behaviors, and more. Unlike organic posts, which reach only a small part of your audience, Facebook ads can show your message to thousands of people who are most likely to be interested in your product. 2. Set clear goals. Before creating an ad, you need a clear goal. Ask yourself, do I want to increase brand awareness? Do I want more website traffic? Do I want to generate sales or leads? Facebook Ads Manager will ask you to choose a campaign objective based on your goal. Picking the right objective is crucial because it determines how Facebook will optimize your ad. 3. Understand your audience. One of the most important parts of Facebook advertising is audience targeting. You can create audiences based on location, country, city, or even a specific radius, interests, hobbies, pages they like, or topics they follow. Behaviors, shopping habits, device usage, travel behavior. You can also use custom audiences for people who already interacted with your business or lookalike audiences to reach people similar to your best customers. 4. Types of Facebook ads. There are many types of Facebook ads. Image ads, simple and effective for showcasing products. Video ads, excellent for storytelling and engagement. Carousel ads allow you to display multiple images or products in one ad. Collection ads, perfect for e-commerce to show multiple products and drive sales. Choose the type of ad that fits your goal and the message you want to share. 5. Creating your first ad. Now let's go step by step. Open Facebook Ads Manager. Click Create Campaign and select your objective. Set your audience, placements, and budget. Create your ad. Use a clear, high-quality image or video. Write a compelling headline. Include a short description highlighting benefits. Add a clear call to action like shop now or sign up. Remember, your ad should grab attention in the first few seconds. People scroll fast, so your image or video must stand out. 6. Budget and bidding. As a beginner, start with a small budget, maybe $5, $10 per day. Facebook uses your budget to show ads to the right people. You can choose daily budget, the amount you spend each day. Lifetime budget, the total amount spent over the campaign duration. Facebook automatically optimizes your ads, but you can also adjust bids if you want more control. 7. Monitor and optimize. After launching your ad, don't forget to monitor performance. Key metrics include click-through rate CTR, how many people clicked your ad. Cost per click, CPC, how much you spend per click. Conversion rate, how many completed your desired action. Based on results, you can change images or videos if engagement is low. Adjust audience targeting. Test different headlines or ad copies. Testing multiple versions of your ads is called A/B testing, and it helps you find the best performing ads. 8. Tips for beginners. Keep your ads simple and focused. Don't overwhelm viewers with too much text. Use bright, contrasting colors to grab attention. Include a strong call to action. Always test and learn. Facebook ads require patience and continuous improvement. 9. Avoid common mistakes. Targeting too broad or too narrow. Find the right balance. Using low-quality images or videos. Ignoring analytics. Monitoring results is essential. Spending too much too early. Start small and scale gradually. 10. Conclusion. In summary, Facebook ads can help beginners reach a large, targeted audience and grow their business. The key steps are: define your goal. Know your audience. Choose the right ad type. Create compelling visuals and copy. Set your budget wisely. Monitor, test, and optimize. With consistency and patience, Facebook ads can become a powerful tool to drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. Start small, learn from your results, and gradually scale your campaigns. Thank you for watching. And now it's time to create your first Facebook ad and start growing your business.